How to delete conversations on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can delete the conversation in Messenger application on your device. Let's get started. First, open Messenger. Now, in order to delete the chats, just go to this chat session. Now, let's say you want to delete a specific chat. Now, to delete one chat, just tap on here in their profile and tap on their profile name right here. And just scroll down until you see delete chat. Here is the delete chat option. Tap on delete chat and just tap on delete again. In this way, their chat will be permanently deleted. Now, the next thing you can do is select the chat you want to delete. Let's say you want to delete this one. Now, swipe left like this, and you can see more right here. Tap on more, and you can see block. You can see delete right here. Tap on delete. Tap on delete again. And just like this, your chat has been deleted. And that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.